Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of quail farming. If you've ever considered raising quail, whether for eggs, meat, or as pets, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about quail farming, from choosing the right breed to setting up your habitat and understanding their care requirements. So let's get started. First, let's talk about why quail farming is becoming increasingly popular. Quail are small, hardy birds that require less space than chickens, making them perfect for urban and suburban settings. They're relatively easy to manage, have a quick maturation rate, and can start laying eggs in just 6 to 8 weeks. Plus, quail eggs are considered a delicacy and are packed with nutrients, making them a great addition to your diet. If you're interested in sustainable farming or simply want to try something new, quail farming might be the perfect venture for you. Now, let's move on to the different breeds of quail you might consider raising. The most common breed for egg production is the Coturnix quail, known for their rapid growth and prolific egg-laying capabilities. They can lay up to 300 eggs per year. If you're interested in meat production, the jumbo Coturnix is a great choice as it grows larger and yields more meat. For those looking for a unique experience, you might consider the bobwhite quail, which is often raised for game bird hunting. Each breed has its own unique traits, so it's essential to choose one that aligns with your goals. Once you've selected your breed, it's time to set up your quail habitat. Quail can be raised indoors or outdoors, but regardless of where you choose to keep them, there are some key considerations. The enclosure should be well ventilated, secure, and spacious enough to allow your birds to move around comfortably. A good rule of thumb is to provide at least 1 square foot of space per bird. If you're raising them indoors, consider using a rabbit hutch or a specially designed quail cage. Outdoor pens should have a sturdy roof to protect them from predators and provide some shaded areas to keep them cool. Next, let's talk about bedding. Quail thrive in clean environments, so it's crucial to choose the right bedding material. Pine shavings or straw are popular options as they absorb moisture and control odors. Be sure to change the bedding regularly to maintain a healthy living space for your birds. Additionally, provide nesting boxes for the females, as they will appreciate having a cozy place to lay their eggs. Feeding your quail is another essential aspect of successful farming. Quail require a balanced diet to thrive, typically consisting of a high-protein game bird feed. Look for a feed that contains at least 20 to 24% protein, especially during the growth phase. You can supplement their diet with greens, vegetables, and even insects to provide variety and additional nutrients. Fresh water should always be available, as hydration is key to their health and egg production. Now, let's discuss the breeding process. If you're interested in hatching your own quail chicks, you'll need to set up a breeding program. Start with a ratio of 1 male to 3 females to ensure successful mating. Quail are known to be prolific breeders, and after mating, the females will lay eggs within a week. Collect the eggs daily and store them in a cool, humid environment until you're ready to incubate them. The incubation period for quail eggs is about 17 days, and you'll need a reliable incubator to maintain the right temperature and humidity levels. Once the chicks hatch, they'll need special care. Newly hatched quail are called keats, and they require warmth and protection. A brooder box with a heat lamp is ideal for keeping them warm during their first few weeks. Ensure that the temperature is around 95 degrees Fahrenheit during the first week, gradually decreasing it as they grow. Provide them with a high-protein starter feed and ensure they have access to clean water. As your quail mature, you'll notice some fascinating behaviors. Quail are social creatures and thrive in groups, so it's best to keep them in flocks. They communicate through various sounds, and watching them interact can be a delightful experience. However, be mindful of aggression, especially among males, as they can become territorial. Providing enough space and hiding spots can help mitigate any conflicts. Now, let's touch on health and wellness. Regularly monitor your quail for signs of illness, such as lethargy, changes in appetite, or abnormal droppings. Keeping their living environment clean and providing a balanced diet will go a long way in preventing health issues. Vaccinations may also be necessary, depending on your location and local regulations. It's a good idea to consult with a veterinarian who specializes in poultry to ensure your flock remains healthy and thriving. As we wrap up our discussion on quail farming, let's talk about the benefits of raising quail. Not only do they provide a sustainable source of protein through their eggs and meat, but they're also low maintenance and can be a rewarding hobby. Quail farming can be a family-friendly activity that teaches responsibility and care for animals. Whether you're looking to start a small-scale operation or simply want a few birds for personal use, quail can fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. So there you have it, the secrets of quail farming, from choosing the right breed to caring for your flock and reaping the benefits. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of quail farming and consider adding these charming birds to your life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on sustainable farming and animal husbandry. Happy farming!